Hello and welcome. I am your service assistant and I will guide you through this video so that from now on you can easily process your application for further unemployment benefit 2, called WBA, digitally and online. That sounds difficult? On the contrary, it's very easy. We will now step by step go through the application and you will see that it is very easy and offers many advantages, filling in your application conveniently at home, directly on your smartphone, tablet or computer, and send it straight to your job center. This saves time and the way to the job center. Sounds good, doesn't it? Now we start. First, go to www.jobcenter.digital and log in as usual with your access data to the Jobbörse. If you do not have access data yet, please contact your contact person at the job center. After successful registration, go to the field zum Weiterbewilligungantrag to the application for further approval. First, enter the number of your community of needs, Haushaltsgemeinschaft. Then click on Antrag starten, Start Application. This automatically sends a message to your job center. In the next step, answer questions on these 3 points: community, household, and household community and income. This information is important and must always be up to date. If something is unclear to you, you will find explanations for these terms. For example, what is a community of needs? Who is part of it? Who is not? You also enter other personal information here: changes in marital status, planned or completed moves, costs for accommodation, and heating costs and your income. If there are other people in your community of needs, please enter all the necessary details. If you missed something, you will see that mandatory fields are marked in red and you will see immediately where information is still missing. Attention! The job application can only be processed if all mandatory fields have been filled out correctly. You can also interrupt the process of your application at any time. Something can always come up. Your entries are saved automatically and are stored securely. You can always continue your entries at a later point. Now we continue with the fields for the household and the household community. If these terms are unclear to you, you will find helpful explanations here. After the general part, you enter the costs for your accommodation, then information about any income. You can either scan the relevant documents of proof, or you take pictures with your smartphone. You can then upload your proof of income very easily from any of your devices. At the end, there is a summary in which you can check all the information you have introduced and correct it if necessary. After having checked and verified all information, you can confirm by clicking on Send Application. It appears the message, "You have sent your application for further authorization online." With a click on Back to Overview, you will see the confirmation that your application for further approval has been successfully submitted and sent to us. And that was about it. Wasn't that difficult, was it? You have saved time, and you will always have proof that your data has arrived safely at our job center.